Most people think that good drawings start with clean lines, but that is exactly why their drawing looks stiff and unreal. If your drawing always looks bad, it is because you are trying to finish the drawing too early. In this video, I will show you how to sketch expressive characters using loose and messy lines, and how to turn that chaos into something clean and professional. Now, this is not a step-by-step tutorial on how to just draw a perfect dog. This is about how to think while sketching. And if you understand this mindset, you can apply it to faces, animals, cartoons, or practically anything. In this video, I will teach you how to go from drawing this to this. Take this time to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, cause I'll be dropping more content to help you improve in your drawing. When making any drawing, the first step is drawing the outlines. The common mistake most beginners make is trying to draw the object right from the start. Note that your outlines should be light and a bit messy. It's more or less like a search line, which helps you to draw the main object. This is not the final line. Think of the outline as a loose guard that helps you find the shapes. You may be wondering, what is the use of the outlines? Can't I just jump straight into the drawing? Well, let me answer that. The outline has three main objectives. It helps you in the placement of the different features in the drawing. It also helps in the proportion, how big or small your drawing is going to be, and it also helps in the gestures, how the drawing feels. Now, if your outline does these three things, even if it is ugly, you are on the right track. Whenever you are drawing the outlines, you are not trying to draw well, you are just trying to understand the shape. Note that your lines should be thin, multiple, and searching. Don't just draw a single line. Draw multiple lines for a particular spot, but make sure those lines are light. Don't trust your first line. Sketch over it until the shape feels right. Another thing you should keep in mind is the use of curvy lines and not necessarily sticking to straight lines, as curvy lines are soft and friendly, but straight lines are stiff. I usually spend almost half the drawing time in drawing the outlines. Don't ever rush your outlines. I mean, no one is pushing you. The outline is not about accuracy, it is about intention. Once the outline feels alive, then and only then will you move to the eyes. Now, the eyes are the life of the drawing. They don't show details, but they show emotion and direction. Notice that the first part of the face anyone notices are the eyes. The eye size equals personality. Bigger eyes feels innocent or playful, while smaller eyes feels serious or calm. But there is no correct size, just draw based on what you are feeling. The eye direction also changes everything. A little shift in the eye's direction can change the whole mood. Never make the eyes look identical. Perfect symmetry kills expression. Draw one eye slightly higher while the other slightly more open. You can start drawing the eyes with just a simple oval shape. Then you can add the pupils, then shading, which is the highlight. The nose is the anchor of the face. The nose matters as much as every other part. It is the center of gravity for the face. It connects the eyes, the mouth, and the cheeks together. You can either draw a big rounded nose or a small narrow nose. A round nose feels friendly, while a sharp nose feels serious. Don't draw the nostrils first. Start by drawing the mass. The nose position also affects the age and the mood. Higher nose placement feels younger, while lower nose placement feels older. The shadow is also very important. Ensure that you shade properly. The mouth is a curve, not a shape. Tiny changes in the mouth equals big emotion shifts. As for the tongue, this is the part where the drawing shines. Adding a tongue instantly makes the character feel more alive. When the tongue is out, it gives a happy or playful look. When the tongue is relaxed, it gives a calm look. When the tongue is coiled, it gives an excited or goofy look. Make sure you avoid hard edges in the mouth. It will make the character feel angry. Use soft, broken lines and let the lines fade. Align the mouth with the eyes. The mouth has to agree with the eyes. A happy eyes and a sad mouth gives a confused look. You must make sure that the emotion is consistent. Here, I drew several smaller sketches to show how the eyes, the mouth, the nose, and the tongue affects the drawing. Changing the size and the openness or the direction of the eyes completely changes the emotion. The nose doesn't scream for attention, but it controls the balance of the face. A rounder nose feels friendly, while a sharper nose feels more serious. Even moving the nose slightly up or down can change how young or old the character feels. The mouth is where the character's personality really shows. A small curve already creates emotion. You don't need to exaggerate too much. Adding the tongue instantly makes the character feel more alive. The final step is the line weight and texture. This is the stage where everything starts to come together. Before now, all the lines were just guides. Now, I'm choosing which line deserves attention. Thicker lines create weight and shadows, while thin lines stay light and flexible. I darken the lines where I want the viewer to see clearly. If you darken every line, nothing stands out. For the texture, I don't draw every hair. Long strokes feel soft, while short broken strokes feel rough. When shading, I use hatching instead of smooth blending. Hatching keeps the drawing loose and alive. I just follow the form, not the outline. The goal isn't darkness, it is depth. Note that this is where most people ruin the drawing. They overwork it. If your drawing already feels alive, then you can stop. More lines don't always mean better results. At this point, the expression is already there. The line weight just makes it clearer. The texture just supports it. Nothing here is random, but nothing is forced. The outline helped me find the shape. The eyes decide the emotion. The nose held the face together. The mouth told the story, while the line weight and texture simply brought it all to life. Know that good drawings aren't about perfect lines. They are just about clear choices. Messy lines help you think, while confident lines show what you have decided. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell me if this video helps. Check out my video on how to draw Mr. Beast.